مباركة لما عتم تلكم اللهم جاي شيء منእሰያት ኤርትራውያን ተቐመጥቲ ካልግሪ ካናዳ ክልቲኦም ብሉፃት ተምሃሮ እዮም of course ወዲኦም ኣለዉ ትምህርቲ ብሓፍትና ጓልና ክብላ ከልባይ ወገን ዲቦራ መሓሪ ሄኖክ ሳይኮሎጂስት ዲግሪ ንማስተር ትኸይድ ትኽላ ከምኡውን ኣቤል ወልዳይ መብራህቱ ሰርጀን ዶክተር ማለት እዩ ማስተር خيد الله of course degree وسيلك الله لما عتي تبلحي أمسيهم زلوا هنا كلتيهم من السياتنا بياخد اللو تناتهم بلحي أبكم زعانة كبوت صحو سدرابي تنتاجر تجاوبتهم السوم كات السوشيال هيوتهم محبر هيوتهم تايم السلني يرون زبل لما دكنا أبكم زي ما قدر زلوا أب هاي سكول دلوا نابي يونيفرسيتي دخل دلوا انتاج زي وصلهم انتاج عينة واقع خفلو نابزين خبوت إحنا خلو ناتم تمكرو شركة جوروي كما هكافلو ما تعملوه مجمرة نحن نديبورا بأخي بزمرة غير اللي متأخذي.
Thank you. أنا نغني أبز لازعك كان really grateful.
مرحبا مو قال لي لا يكون أنا ممكن بهجونات يكني رئيس بحال ناردوس سامراويت مايك yes congratulations.
Thank you.
مقابل حكي وحبوسك هنا أخي صدر أخي بحافشي ونحرت سبنا مالتي نطاي نتكعوتنا حبرت سبنا عوتيو جمرنا أخي بحري صدر أخي بحركات حبرت سب أخي حرة مالتي.
Right.
مو تعبني وحبوسك.
Thank you. قعنا.
مرحبا. أبيل of course doctor is not an easy field. مجمرنا وحبوسك.
Yes.
نعخا نصدرخا بحافشو of course Ertran Canadians so honka بحافشو نحبرت سبنا بحافشو congratulations.
You can like thank you Uncle Mike.
Mike all right. How was it? It's not easy to be a doctor and then not only being a doctor surgeon. It's very I think كبير field you جزء discipline مقطع بس بدليو جزء which is you need to be disciplined. You have to have programs. How was it?
It's okay in the most simple way, but the main issue a lot of my family, or for me personally, and many people, is that when they come to Canada, they usually have two options: be either a doctor, lawyer, or maybe on the side like engineering or nursing. Most of the time, they think that's the easiest way just because you can just get a career out of that. Mm-hmm. But they don't really know what the reality is with graduate schools and med school, or even law schools and other programs. And to give you an example, to be accepted to, there's only how many med schools in Canada? There's like maybe 14. Now, Canada is a French and English speaking country. So 4 of them are already gone. So now you only have like 10 schools. British Columbia has 1 school. Alberta has 2 schools, Saskatchewan 1 school, and maybe Ontario has 4 schools. Now you're going to 2 schools in your own province. Those are the 2 provinces that have like your best chance because they want Albertan children. Okay. They want you. If you go to Ontario, they believe if you go to Ontario, you're not going to come back to Alberta. So you're going to stay there for the rest of your life. But they want people who've grown up in your city who know the culture. Mm. The problem is the government doesn't really have that much funding for students, so it becomes very competitive. Maybe for a class like the University of Calgary, maybe 150 seats, and they have like 2,000 to 3,000 applications. Now that's just applications. Now think about what kind of people are applying: PhDs, masters, and now people with undergraduate degrees. And sometimes most of them don't even get accepted just because they don't know the reality. And a lot of Habesha parents, they think it's easy to become a doctor. You just need to study, you got to focus on your school, and you're in it instantly. But that's not the case. And a lot of them don't really know that. And they wonder why you're doing extracurriculars, why you're doing all these things. And they kind of just don't understand why not just study, get a good GPA, and then you're in. But that's not the reality.
But the question people will ask right now is, how was your high school journey? Because the fact is, to go that far, to be fair, we're not like the people are 3 generation or 4 generation in Canada, right? You're an immigrant. Your parents are immigrants. I don't know if you were born here, but I'm pretty sure you're an immigrant born but raised here pretty much, right? So to go further to that high, you aiming for a doctor. How was your high school life? What was it like? What sacrifice? Did you?
It was quite interesting for me. In my case, my parents wanted me more so to go to a more of a private, or more like, I guess you could say like more of a private charter school per se, just because they wanted me to be surrounded by people who want the same aspirations of yourself. It's like that saying, you become the person you are with the people you surround yourself with. So my parents were like, they didn't really like the idea of staying within a lot of these Northeast communities. A lot of these kids don't really have the same aspirations for you. A lot of times what my mom and dad like to say is they like to like goof off or like have fun when they don't really think about their career or what their future holds. So they kind of put me in an environment where it was a lot of people who wanted the same goals as me, higher education, but you really didn't see that much Habesha kids or any like kids from your own. In my class, I had no one who's Habesha. I had one girl above me, Betty. She was Habesha, and you usually don't see anyone else. It was mostly kids from South Asian communities or like East Asian communities that really had those aspirations, and that was like maybe 90% of the school.
Wow.
And that's who and I guess being around those people really forced me to be like, I want to have the best. Because when I switched into grade 10, my grades weren't really the best. But after seeing the people around me, I kind of focused up a little bit more. And then it increased.
So why that before grade 10, you marked with that grade? What does that have to do? Was there anything with social life?
I think it was a social.
Hanging out?
It was a
school. When did you start private school?
Private school started around grade 7. But that was mainly just because like there wasn't really that much of a focus on education.
Yeah, unknowing, understanding where you headed.
Yeah, I just was a kid. I just wanted to have fun. Grades weren't really that thing. But when you're in the grade 11, grade 12 space, where people start asking questions to their teachers, what should I do? Where should I focus on my life with? It's kind of like that ticking time bomb that comes to your head. I actually had my leadership class. They made you do this like survey or form. They're like saying what kind of career would work well with you based off your personal attributes. And I completely had a few that were related to the medical field, and I kind of wondered if that was really what I wanted. And I started to look into it, do more research, talk to other people, and I kind of wanted that as my own personal goal.
Great. Wow. All right. And Deborah, Abiel was saying that, up to grade 10, of course, understandable. High school, there's a kid that's trying to focus,
right,
have vision. Before that, be young and do things. Do you have the same path?
100%. The school that I went to, the high school, is just like one you're describing, where predominantly there was Africans and even Habeshas. 100%. And
actually, تقولين صراحة خيسكي بتقولين أصلي. سمعتنا بحث تقولين تعرف شو لازم أبي القفلة إيش شو لازم تقولينه كنا كيكونا.
Okay, it just got harder. Level 10. Okay.
Level 10. She's got the center, but she's gonna be.
That's what you're gonna say.
Dude, now I know why. Okay. Yes, up to now high school كله grade 10. مثلا يزنبرو, of course, علمتني يروم حبشة يروم. If you saw حدا تعدا سب, maybe they were like 10% of the school. So كم خطري غلها؟
علمت الكلام نحن علمت لي كنا.
بيزخ أمتي. No, not like.
حتى كيلي أنا سمعت زلينا. أنا علمت لي الحوسكي ولا حبشة تسلد فلويدة وكابتن علمتي.
This is actually one of the arguments I always say. أنا when school family, I'm like, guys, أنا علمتينا. Get up حبشة ناسكم إنا نفلي. حبشة أنا علمتي. But anyways, Africans. There's a lot of Africans up to مثلا. Almost like Abel said too, 90% of them come يوم يروم. The problem was though the culture of the تمرتي اتي بحلو دخل. Yeah, اتي نا تمرتي زنبرة بحلي. It was not excellent. It was not academic, a success. It was more like كيدكا, basketball تتعاون.
كل grade 10 دي خزار بدلاي.
Grade 10.
Oh, grade 10, okay.
Yeah, high school كلهم مالتي. So grade 10 to I would say 12 and a half, like. I mean, you understood really quickly, and by 11th you were locking in. And against grade 12 halfway, I was still not locking in. I wasn't paying attention. Let me get my life in order. But yeah, so grade 10 to 11, مسكلو هزبي مالتيو اتباهلي ابت تمرتي سكسس لزي نبره توم تصلمت خمانه خاني بمنتاي طري مسفلتو بكعشو so you are successful only كعشو انت اتيخا
sport
شعرهم تسفا زريو شعرهم kind of focus قبرو او game انت ختصاوت انت مرتنا خام انت كسعرسي كستو ممهر make sure he does his homework كستو ممهر make sure he's she's on time to class other than that
إذا تخبابي سلازو خونه إجي تخبابي نخرجوا من تام تايسي حد جزء أبي أنت يريز جيروانيرو نورزي زبالة الرأي الله هجي كابتن مكروهم سون يشتكوا متلوال لو ولا بسدروون وكم زخمي كبابي ستبان أساسا حنا عينة economical ستاجر لوهم نيو مزحدهم immigrants قلمتها influence على كل جزء ما تيجي تلوى في الطريق كم تقول له تزنبر كيا خي كم عين دينيرو تتمرتي تقبابي بخمس لزخونة دي قدوسات عين ورنا تبي تمرتي
100%. I mean أبتمرتي ناس كبلكم it's a sad number but almost like 4 تخبناتنا high school 3 years نبركم تمرتس 4 يوم سميتهم محاوستي مالتي.
بمتاعي.
بشات بgun مالتي. Because of crime, gun violence مالتي and also gang involvement. So بزحات يوم شالهم محاوستي حجي كل تلوا grade 10 جميرنا سكا 11 مس أنز نبركو كم زينا نيرنا. السن كأني they were of course from that crime قلم تات بزحين involved نيرن. حنتي now she's a drug dealer. Now مالتي.
حجي.
Yeah, وحنتي she's a drug dealer. The other one she's a prostitute مالتي. So that's the trajectory. ولا تمام هران كم تقولوا سني. ما تينا كوف كنا بالترايمبر. It's not really كمزي. أبغى لخبط حرم كلاس بزح يبان لكم.
هجي تانا تحتو مزحت جزء خبدي أنا مهارة ستهلو. سلام تاي خب دخون زبل حتوتات نيزلو.
Okay.
اتزل خايو area ويتي تقوم تقولوا زل خا area أقداسري. Okay, so بحافشوا حجزنا بيتسب. ما تيجي support ما بحافشوا. سقاب كندي ثارة تجاوزهم بيتسبك. في اللايك بهاي سكول دلوا سقاب بينفرست خمين السنين.
صدرا بيتي بتاع عبي جديم بتعيط ما بيوتي. بتزبلوا نجاراتن like قبل علي مش هلو encouragement زهبوني moral زهبوني السوق حدا قدرلو كن أتي هيوت بعلم زنبرو right كم example كنا مدوي لهم لي so even if نا أبتمرتنا culture كمزن بالنيرو نعيك أني مش هلو خل كنا قبل دليل culture you know what I'm saying نا بحب ما أكوزن ولا أنت دليل جزء مش متخصص it was a completely different environment like the أبجزانا أتي you know intention أتي motivation كل نجار سني كابتي تمرتي نلعلي تسأليوني
أوكي أبجد بزح تسأليك هاب
100%
أوكي بزح قدر لهم مالتي
بتعمل كده even كحسبوا خلهم إتن محاسي زبالكم that my 2 best friends جزائن كريو خلهم جزائن كريو خلهم is completely different and I think that's why ناتنا path تفاليو is because I'm جزائن كتير كلها أبويا باللن exactly there was like 8 kids up حنت جزا أدون توت أنت أتون مشالو إتي هي واتني بتعمي زسك فكاي ولا جزء خير كلهم مشالو جزء بقى تدارا بشيو كل نجار رسيحو ولا يجأنو مشالو هم عنا نجار.
سو قداسيو أبجزا حدا دعنا بيتها سبع لغة حجزو خاب ونخازو خانو أجوخا
100%
إكسترا ما يلدخل مالتيو بعبي زي صلواتات عبونا الدم الله وهيوتون بجرلو مثلاً ما تجاجيني.
No, that's exactly right.
مش؟ Okay. إسرع غارتي زنبركيو راي هاي سكول سيكاب grade 10 تبغى سلام like سلطة جميل كما تيجي استراتيجي مالته أوكي هاي سكول الله university psychology كونس أمعس decide كده أمعس وسينكي grade 10 ديو 11 ديو نبي university ممهار كديو أبينيو
grade 12 مثلاً
grade 12
end of grade 12
end of grade 12 شو التحساس بقى خمينيو the cost of course psychology of course the degree خيط كير لخي 4 عامتي قال لي ده يكونن انتي كافتنا وراك محبراوي هو أبكركي بكرات مسددة عشان لقيت بارتي لو قال لنديو إذا حجي أبينيرو سو بكرات نورو أبتي محبراوي هو مسمى حاجات كدي خوي قبل يزقط بعد كديو ويد ما تكدك أساس حسب لازم كدي تمام سنيرو
is the university مش جمركو
university
oh my goodness هلمي له university مش جمركو nobody saw me. I would do like, I don't know, 16 hours studying ዕዉታት, especially because the reason ብዙሕ social life ዘይነበረኒ ብዙሕ ኣብ community ዕዉታት event ኩሉ ከሎ ዘይነበርኩ is because ካብ high school ናብ university ክኸይድ ብዙሕ challenging ነይሩ ንዓይ. Because it's culture, it's ባህሊ. We didn't know how to study.
So ናይ ብሓቂ ኣገዳሲ እዩ at least ካብ grade 10 ካብ grade 12 ዘሎ ናይ ምሻለክ ናይ መጽናዕቲ ግዜ ፍጣር ንሓቂ ግን መብዛሕትኡ ተማሃራይ ድኹም ኾን ክትሓስቢ ወላ ኣለዉ ገና ኣብ grade 10 high school ጀሚሮም prepare ገብሩ ኣብ ዩኒቨርሲቲ ክትሓስቢ ስኻብ ተሞክሮ ክድራኽ የመሓዙት ኩሉ ወላ ትፈልጥም ሰባት ኣለዉ ወላ ብተፈጥሮ ዝኸም እዩ ኣብ ዩኒቨርሲቲ ምሳኣት ሓኻፍ ነቅሕ
No. I think like not Asian friends, for example, already spreadsheet nearwom. You know what university? Excel. What university they want to go to? Can they grade kulwom kumzolo? If you asked us, oh, what do you want to do in after high school? So ina khams gris matsan high school you would do. You got has to show. Now can you create it? Kalot kin they definitely had like سرعة ناتو
كاتاتو لخدو نيرم بيتسب حجي أقداس إني حرح رجزي كابتي قلت ليس أجمع دري وحبرة سبنا أما تاتانا بريفيجي تمرتو ناي ودون هاي سكول لودرلون يونيفرسيتي أبزمت يوم encourage كورونا هو كتابة أخي كتابة خلا حدا سب أجو خط راح لك خليجن خطاتي لون تاع كورس توصل الله نبيد وستكا قالي تخطاتيلو أصنعي تخصص توستو إذا بكرات على مثلاً على حرة سلمة بتزب خمي مسؤولين.
Yeah, they were like that too. تتقبل لك حجي ولا after school program تغيره كم يحجزك زي not because the queue دبلو يكاتاتو
ميرا. مرحبا. Private تمرتقيتك. You went to private school. To do that, your parent has to sacrifice with ما بدوش تعرف واجا خفلو بالتيو. واجا مفالكا whether نوي ساعات مسرح ديو كمان يرو how was it how was your parents that for them to send you to private school it's not easy you know حفشة وحبرة سماها you know صريح يدخلوا فلوتيو جي نتي بيت مرتخات راح يكون not only for your school you know you had to pay fee right and then probably you need transportation so how did they do it like you know.
Well, my dad, he had to work 2 jobs. Sometimes he would pick up a shift, like a little bit more if he needed to. My mom worked 1 job. She also picked up a couple of shifts, but they both had to make sacrifices. They didn't like the idea of like them coming to Canada as refugees and them messing up their entire life just because their kid couldn't just have opportunities like anyone else. And I recognized that. I recognized that early on, especially when I didn't see my dad most of the week. It was usually my mom. I think that's why me and my mom have a closer relationship, just because I see her every day. She did everything for me. My dad, even though we have a good relationship, like I love that guy too, the death. But like, for him, it's a little bit more different just because he was just working and every time he came home, he would be sleeping, then he would eat, then go back to work. Then me and my mom would just be there together talking about like school, personal life and everything. So right now, that's like one of the reasons why I strive to be the best I can be with education, but also like just personal commitments, being like resilient in that sense.
So when did you see that your dad is sacrificing working 2 jobs? You were young. Let's say an example was a grade 10, what would be like, what, 17, 16? And did you notice that my dad is working 2 jobs so I can go private school to be somebody else? When did you notice that actually he's making the sacrifice? Even your mom too, because she has to be part of it.
Yeah.
Because she has to take care of you at home and she works full time, she picks up extra shift. When did you notice that? When did it kick in on you?
It kicked in early on, like grade 8, grade 7.
Oh, really?
Yes, because I kind of recognized like when you see all your friends hanging out with their dads, it's like, what is my dad doing? Then you're like, oh wait, he's working. Then you look at the situation you're in, you're like, this has to be done. There's no other option. Then you kind of look at it, but I guess it didn't even hit me like to almost like 70%. I think it really hit me to 100 when I saw other friends like trying to succeed in their life, and it kind of made me want to like do better and become like more like them. And I kind of realized, okay, this is now the time where I shouldn't like disappoint my family.
Wow. And social life, how was it? I mean, going to school, university, but it's not an easy field to go to a doctor. So how was your social life to begin with? Were you a kind of shy guy, not to like socialize, or by default, no, I had to lose this to gain this?
It was interesting. I'm in the middle. I'm sometimes quiet, but sometimes I talk the most in the class. So depending on where I'm at, but usually when I switched to grade 10, I made really good friends. In my first day of class, I made some friends. I kind of realized I didn't like them. Like they really annoyed me a lot because they would always, because it's in high school, in the school I went to, people were competitive. People wanted to know what grades you got. What did you get here? And it kind of got annoying because I was like, I'm not trying to talk about grades all the time. I'm trying to have like other conversations. And I had other friends who I met that like, and one of my friends right now, he's like really, my mom loves him. And he's not even Habesha. I'm quite surprised. My mom always likes Habesha people. But he likes one of my friends who are from India. So like, when I saw like these guys who just wanted to be friends, they didn't want to talk about school all the time. They knew how to mix the balance between the two. And those guys were the best. I still keep in touch with them, even till now. And I actually went to 2 of their weddings this past year. So like, those guys were pretty much like good, very awesome people to be around with. And even when I transitioned to university, it wasn't that bad for me. I had a lot of, as I said earlier, like a lot of them wanted to go to university. So sticking with them made me still.
So the people I hang out with, that's the most important. That kind of keeps you.
It keeps you
focused and
it helps with your mental stability, where you wanted to go. And it just helped me transition way easier than most people. Because a lot of times I have some friends who moved to UBC, U of A, like other schools, and they didn't have anyone. I stayed in Calgary just because I wanted to be with my mom and dad. I wanted to work a little bit more just to help them with their bills. And like having friends who had similar circumstances kind of forms as a camaraderie, like as you would say, like you building like that community within your friends. Even though most of them were not Habesha, I still like found like people I could relate to within my school.
I mean, it's understandable when you kind of raised here. You raised here, right? Were you born here or raised? Raised. So I understand that to have a lot of common with others because you live in Canada. I mean, your high school friends are the multi-culture country, right? Could be from India or Asian or in a Caucasian too, right? I get it. What I'm saying is it doesn't have to be Habesha specifically. Of course, it does help. Sometimes you might speak your languages, kind of, you know, we can connect somewhere with the cultures. But I understand that part. But when you look back now, Abel, would you say that, okay, you know what, I could have parties, I spent this many hours to, to go, to get a degree. Is there anything that you think that you missed out?
No. Keep it simple, no. I'm happy with the GPA I got in undergrad. A lot, especially for my academic future, a lot of schools put emphasis on GPA. I'm happy I didn't like go out too much. I knew how to balance out my life. There was times I needed to go out, sometimes I didn't. My friends understood that. So it was never too bad. But also a lot of my friends were religious. So drinking, partying wasn't their
that
thing
helps
to do.
A lot.
It does. And even if I'm like Orthodox Christian, my friends, some of them who are Muslim, they don't drink, they don't party. They just like to stay with the family and keep it like nice and holy with them. Even though if you had different religions, it was like there was some overlap and compatibleness with each other. They never brought up their religion to me. I never did that to them. And it was really working well. And they knew like a lot of us just didn't feel like partying or anything like that. The enough partying I had was from the Habesha weddings and everything I had there. So that was enough for my year.
Habesha party. Wow, that's amazing. Interesting. So that's pretty good. I mean, some people that I listen to it is that I want to hear them saying, you know what, زيت فينا مش محسوسنا خمس حليفنا ولا قوا كل جزء تعويتهم على بتي دلي وجن you know actually حليفنا خمس بارتات كده تقولوا له هذا زي تلك تسمعها سخاتكم جن I don't think when it comes to Abel I don't think you even regret it at all. You're probably happy too because it made you who you are right now, where you're at, right?
And yeah, and you hear some bad stories. Like I've heard some friends, they went to like downtown, they did clubbing. Sometimes one of their friends got spiked a drink, things like that nature. And like I kind of just never wanted to be in that environment. I just knew there was always something bad that's gonna happen. So I kind of just avoided that. Sometimes I would go. Like there was occasions where I went to some friends' parties, but those ones I knew them really well, so they didn't like bother pushing me to do any other.
They don't want to.
They respected me, so I was like, it was nice to be around those people.
Okay, sounds good. Okay. Dibora, السخون I think كان زوجة تصنع أبيل بزح رجلة هاي قبرني بنبسط حافشوا مستيستني مبزحتهم هنا هم ذا سمع صنحنا حمل ثاني مسكلا عائلتهم فاقت حبشاونا كلهم مزحت ما حزتهم أنا ما أخذت تبدي سخي I'm pretty sure تدي كاجت بتخسن تخدي خمسة. So ركب سلوككم أبيل تي he was something that discipline يعني تويج بتزاربات هاي نراب كفت حدا نايم السنة قلنا مبزحتهم حاجتي تفعل لي عليتهم مبزحتهم كأ بتهايمانوت مستيسوس اليوم زعي الدل ويد محجز النزبلي أنت بزعب أنت عندك السخة.
The same thing أنا وإنكم قبل. If you have the same morals at the church and حجز we have the same moral right. جانا قراتون أحسبني كم زوج خيدس كسرت يجرمتس أحسبني so like it wasn't even conversation كم زي it wasn't in our minds.
هنقولكم ساي شراس.
أنا yeah even if you what's I نقول نجرس أتاون what's أنا لو right حجي كابتن مهارنا كاب كلام لاخن كاب you know أبو تاتنانسي قلت أتو قلت كوتي so توتي أتو خيد لنا يون so أجمرنا يون.
رديك حجي أو أبتا إحواتك. siblings. دخانو ناتك مجدي ولا تأثر تخطيلو دخطيلو ده كمير إخم كميم جاب حاجة جزاسي تفراد اللي حدا نفع عبيت متخون حدا بسبورت حدا بجلي so أب حوات كخيت مجدي تخليه جلاقي فلوجو ويخطو excuse me خطو له ده what is it
definitely ببلاد تخونو حوات لني and بcommunity نرخب حواتنا لوني تي ببلاد relate كبر مثلا ناتو بال ناتو هي مونكرت حوات لوني ناتو he's very much up to Murti at the same time got business and I think كلتنا we have that kind of mindset so نحن حدنا نبالالح so بو خيدلو and I have cousins when you know محاولتهم طريقة يوم كنت out دولي كعشو دولي ويكاني oh I'm just gonna go you know be a sales representative nowhere you know where representative where I think he was here and they were able to say okay like I would say you know because that's some culture up to Mutomju up to it was like نمتى تمت الجمر جن وتأثيرهم سمك أغطيلهم حجي حنت الله حجي ab communications university أتيا مساي ونسر حلا doing like cold calls for me doing emailing for me so it's a business and everything to that مهارة
so أسرسي أتجزأت أني هلا
مالك
طبعا كفري طبعا لكم ده ما تيجي فلا of course كم حوات فلا على دخا yeah
for sure that's how حجي is very good he's very calm if you ask him a question 20 seconds بس تسكاز منه نقول له مرميري كستايز قبل أنا هبت أبو عيتي he sometimes he would say sometimes وأنا ما عندي بحث عن الناس مش محاجة كله كلها هنا كوفينا نتعود جاني على الجال ناتو رئيني كم زي I was getting anxious كم لستي جلس I wanted to say something متابلس
calm down that's nice that's pretty good so مبزحتو ناتك ياب إحوات كسي درجات سيم مددي دخلت له زلوا ممكن حاجة تكون similar thing تي كبابي خاون I think similar تلاقوا مثلاً ما رايد غيري
you know I think أبزعنا stay like more I don't know research to get as Leo because توم ببلاد relate قبل مساي أبي وذي كغتلو كتيلهم but توم محازتي I can't say I found like شالو like a really solid group كل نجار بحنس عن قبره كل نواتو حنت تحزة حاجة حنت اللي بسا university كم جينا بحنس أصغرنايا بحنس أنا 8 hours قالوا هم نجار نقبل كتير على degree حزنا سحجي أنا تشيت الله مشانو psychology degree تماهير كاس high grade أمتي خاجن أنا كتشيت كلاس it shows up جلس فالينا
أنت أخوين تولي حجي أنا شيء راح تستاني ده تخون اللاس ولا what made أنت سلمت وتصح
I think كلت علوها جن I think distracted كوينا إذا حجي نعك هو قصي لازم خنكوس نعاون مهرنيو I think نحسبنا ونكمل اللي was like نحنت ما قدم مسحاسكا be perfect and excellent at it أتا ما قدس نفع عنبر أنت أخا ما تعلق زي أخا تبطت مثلا لا إلكا كستاجركا the vision will be lost
direction درس صحت مالتي
exactly so I think كم يا أخوينا
كوميتات حجي تسفاتات كحجة خمس ليزة لغت إنها psychology. I mean, of course, كحق زكية تداربي تخي. That's something. That's ناسد. That's ناسد too. كم يالو تناي حاول يسرح بكندا.
صبوا قالوا يبلغنا. أنا هجي graduate كده. Only 2 months after graduating سرح خدمة.
Okay.
تسرح كأني ب youth worker جميلة youth worker مالت كأني مس high schoolers. أقل مكان. High school what is already high school junior. It's like كمية جميلة. It just shows you sometimes soon. إنت تمرتك تمهرون لك. There are some things you just have to finish. جن إتي confidence نبعلو. إتي تطريو assets. For example, you know, ودت مسبلكو university. I think it was June. So دانا. Immediately when I was looking for jobs, Google certificate كده project management تمهيرة. Because I understood psychology, like a lot of people have psychology. What's one asset أنا كهبا زغلتهم أسروح نزولهم زلهم سبعة. فليز بلا. ساجرة شو scale جرا كمكة. So youth worker عتي, then HR كم حدش تقوي عمني, now research assistant كوني. نابوهون كتيلا. So opportunity علو ترايزي كونس. نتن opportunities كتب زحين تغيري خاكولي ليه.
صبوا. جاءوا أبكم عندك مجد تخيل السبب ساعات زي. أمين ورسل والله حاجة. Of course high school. university حالي فيه ونابكم زعانت في الخمسة تدخل.
Yeah.
كم ديبورها انت advice تبيهم من سياتنا حجي بحدك السيرك تبعتيو بزحون الله sociology psychology ده هسود له. حدثي تمجد تايمس. انت عانت كودلو لونا أو successful قرار بس يحكي زلقي. زي قد psychology خون خيري تفلا لي عانت في خون خيري. انت عانت مجد خصوص له. كابت استغتقاقو خيانتها كهلو نعم كحقوزو بك تحسبي.
Okay. استخدمي تحتو أنت عينت almost sacrifice قبل له مالتي مش. I think number one تخون vision حسكا نعاء نبقى تراي focus مكبر حنتيا.
تعلم حسكا أنا تعلم أنا موقع.
Exactly.
قد أنا مخالف لله.
Yes. مسألة خير كأني be ready to be uncomfortable. مرت بتقولنا كمية زبلة.
أنا عايز تفيات
I know right.
uncomfortable.
كابناتنا comfort zone. كابتي إذا أسخ لا إيه مبال.
تقلل راح يكون challenge ودقون.
Yes.
تنكفون تدالو يأخذ الله.
Exactly.
تفرحي بالكانيات تحطه.
بالكان.
Right.
Exactly.
Okay.
Because أنت فريحهم أي مهارون يوم. أنتي successful سب كأني كابس مهارو يو لا على صغير. So أنت يخون sometimes أبتزلقوا conferences ويكأني projects أنت لاني أنا حجي كتوه عم فتن. Like sometimes on Instagram يتحفوا لي, on LinkedIn يتحفوا لي. So يعدمهم معه like بحس كم زنقبر. Then they will say, oh, I have never done that before. أو كم زعلت project سريعي فلتني. دي مرة قلت thank you invite كيركني. زي كله سأزخونا قل ده حنقول في إبلني. أنا I'm like ما اسمه أنا غير إلى بلا اللغة قل بحس أنا فتنه. Who knows what can come out of it تبل. So it's vision كتير كانت زي حسكايا. You will not challenge yourself enough. And then if you don't challenge yourself كأني أبي غمضت مزح. Just degree حسكا في كتبنا.
Thank you. What would you advise in a way of youth, or you know, you're a man right now actually. You what 23 right now? 22.
22.
Oh. He's getting there. He's a young adult. Yeah. So my question to you is, what would you advise to youngsters like they going to university right now, whether to be a doctor? Your field is like crazy. Very few, I think. Am I right, Deborah? It's not easy. It's a lot of work. And then surgeon too. Now, one of the things when he told me one day, I asked him, "Are you sure this is going to take a lot?" But yeah, I wasn't surprised. He was very disciplined. But what would you advise the path that you got? Like, especially some people. She actually spoke overall, generally speaking, any field. What they have to do, they have to, you know, they shouldn't be afraid to fail. Because sometimes what we do is the unknown, we fear and then we don't try it. And how are we going to be succeeded, right? But if you're going to try it, you're going to work hard, right? But especially people to go to doctor, surgeon, whatever doctor, you know, fields, many of them. What would you advise them?
If they want to go to a field like such as medicine,
yes,
I would say before you even start thinking about medicine, think about what do you see yourself doing. Are you a business analytical person? Like my brothers, Matthew and Dilette, they want to do business. They don't see medicine for themselves, and that's completely okay. I think the biggest thing is don't let your parents dictate where you should do your career go. I feel like you should at least try to see what you can do yourself. You know, to give you an example, I have one friend, he did a diploma, 2-year diploma. Most people think if you do a diploma, you don't get anything out of it. Now he's working at a 150K job a year, working with an engineering company. He's like a manager, and he only has a 2-year diploma.
Yeah.
People did 4 or 5 years of a degree, and they're struggling to find a job. Play with your like environment, like try to connect with people. As Deborah said, LinkedIn is like the best way to do it. People have opportunities. Do some other activities you do. I'm doing this one fellowship right now, and that's like in public policy, and I don't have any public policy work. And I'm introduced to so many different areas. Just try to push it. I think knowledge is like the best reward for anyone. And I think if you want to achieve results, see things in different ways in life, you should be having that thirst to look forward at what you're trying to find.
Great, but you point out a good point. Don't your parents dictate you. ስድራኻ ድበሉኻ ጥራሕ ኣይትግበር ንስኻ ትደልዮ ግበር ኣይትሓቶ. Do you see that sometimes in your parents kind of okay, I want you to be like this, and then how did it work with you? How did it? What went through your head?
Well, my mom and dad wanted me.
I know it's for the best of you, but it's at the end of the day.
It is, but for me, I think I'm lucky.
Yeah.
My mom and dad are very easy people to talk to, especially my mom. I told her like I don't want to do this, and she's like, that's completely okay. What you're doing is making sense. Just make sure you're committed to it. She doesn't like it when you do something, you move on, you move on, you move on. She's like, play around with your things for a little bit, maybe for 1 year, and see where you want to go with that. And my dad was the same thing. And as he spoke to my mom, he kind of understood where I wanted to go. And even though he wanted me to be a doctor, he didn't really push me to do anything. In my entire 4-year degree, he never told me you should be studying, you should be doing this, that. He trusted me. I think you have to give a lot of trust to your kids. And I think a lot of people don't. A lot of people, not only in the Habesha community, in other communities, they kind of don't have that with their kids. So building trust early on is like a key thing.
Well, actually, that's a good thing. That was my wrap throughout the program, but I'm going to continue with that. So what would you advise to parents on that note? What would you advise to how to work with your kids to go to when they go to university? What they should do? What didn't work for you? What didn't work for you? So that way you're giving parents ስድራ ቤት ሓገዝትዎም ኣለኻ ገለገለ እዋናት ስድራ ቤት ከይፈለጡ ዝግበር ይብሉ ኣለዉ. And then sometimes the kid they quit or they get frustrated. So what would work with you and what didn't work with you? So what would you give the parents right now? Their kids are going to university at this time, and then going to whatever you're going to. You went successful, of course. What would you give them advice?
Well, for me, I never liked the constant comparing me. So comparing me to someone else. Yeah, that was never my thing. Like, no.
That's wrong.
Yeah, I didn't like that. Just because you're trying to make... Exactly.
When they say that, what did go to your head?
It's like, do you want me to be them? Do you want them to be your son or your kid? Like what do you really want from them? But when you do that, when you see other parents do that, their kids doing something, instead of saying be like that, maybe use words like maybe you should reach out to them. Maybe they have opportunities. Maybe they can show you some things they messed up on. Things like that. Don't change the nature of how you communicate. Exactly.
Okay, what else there thing?
Other things, do well-being check-in if their kid is doing well.
Okay.
Don't be like, if they see something isn't going well, don't make that a bigger problem. Kind of see what we can do, what we can move forward with. Try to maybe, if you know someone that can help them, maybe even talking to a friend, maybe bringing their friends over would be a nice thing to have.
Okay.
But things of that nature. And also just, I think the biggest role is just be supportive. Just be a parent. Don't be their teacher. They already have somebody doing that for them.
That's good.
Just be supportive and be around them and make sure like they're trying their best.
Okay. Thank you, Abed. Deborah, ሕጂ ስኽውን እቲ ሓፈሻዊ ኣብ ዝበፅሕ ዘለኺ ክበፅሕ ዋንሰይቲ ወይ ተባዕታይ ዝተፈላለዩ ፊልድ ማለት እዩ ኣድቫይስ እንታይ ትብዮ?
Some parents ስድራ ማለት እዩ?
No, I think we did advise you መንእሰያት I don't think so.
I don't think so.
Let's start with that one.
Sure.
So መንእሰያት አለው ብዙሓት ኣብ ዩኒቨርሲቲ ሕጂ
Yeah.
they want to get a degree. They could be psychologists or engineering. There could be many fields.ፈላለዩ ዓይነት ሙያ ማለት እዩ እንታይ መሃብከም ካብትናት ከተሞክሮ ካብቲ ተጋግኽዮ መንገዲ ኣየናይ ከዕውቶም ክትሓስቢ ከምዚ ዓይነት ዘለዎ
Okay. ክልተ ነገራት ይመፁን ኣለዉ ሓንቲ they have to find the problem first. ከኣቶ ናብ ትምህርቲ ስኒ እንታይ እዮም ክገብሩ ደልዮም
ነብሶም ክሓትዋ ኣለዎም
exactly what's the end point ተሓይቶም ነብሶም it will guide them because sometimes ሃንፈርሕ ሓንቲ ነገር ተጀሚርናስ ክንውድእ ኣለና ግን ከኣነ ወላ እንተ ተወዲኣስ ከም ተወድአትክ መዓስና ንፈልጥ እንተ ዘይፈልጥ ናይ ትመወዳእታ ነጥቢ ስለዚ ትምህርቲ ክትሓስቡ ከለኹም ይኸኣኒ ንዲግሪ ኢልኩም ትኣትዉ ከለኹም already ኣብ ኣምርኹም envision ግበሩ እንታይ ክምልስ ደልየ እንታይ ዓይነት ሕቶ ክምልስ ደልየ እንታይ ዓይነት ህዝቢ ክሕግዝ የድልዮ ዘለኹ ኢልኩም ተኣትኹማ ክትወፅዋ ኢኹም for example ሕጂ ናይ ጨና ገለ ክመፅእ ከሎስ ግን ናይ ዲግሪ እንተጀሚርኩም ንህዝብኹም ኣብ psychiatrist ክትኮኑ ወይ ከዓ ክትከውን ተደሊኻ ናይ ጨና ነገር ክመፅእ ከሎስ you know እንታይ ከም ትመርፅ you know ኣበይ ኣትርኪርካ ከም ትሰርሕ እንተዘይ ትፈልጥ ኮንካ ግን እዚኣ ካ ትሕግዘኒ ትኾንልካስ ምስ ደረብካያ ሽዑ ዳይሉት ትኸውን ከም ዝበል ሓንቲ ዘይብልካ እትኸውን the second one ከኣኒ yes እቶም ንነብስኻስ you have to give opportunity ከመይ ማለት እየ sometimes ሓደ ነገርስ በይንኻ ክትወፅኣ ትኽእል ኢኻ ትምህርቲ ምጀመር
ዕድል ክትባለካ ነብሶም
ዕድል ትባለካ and understand ምግባር እንታይ understand ምግባርካ ኩሉ ሰብ ኣይኮነን ኩሉ ግዜ ምስኻ ክኸውን በይንኻ እውን ትኾነሉ እዋን ኣሎ sometimes ንኣዋርሕ እውን ክኸውን ክእል እዩ ኣብ ዩኒቨርሲቲ ኣነ ሕጂ ከመይ ነይረ እቶም ምሳይ ዝነበሩስ ኣነ ስሕቦም ነይረ እምበር ንዑ ኣፅንዑ በጀኹም ላይብሪ ንዑና ይገለ ዝብል ዝነበርኩስ ኣነ sometimes በይነይ እውን ኮይነ በይነይ ላንች በልዕ በይነይ የፅንዕ ገለምታት not because ሰብ ኣይፈቱኒ ግን ክንደይ ፀላዊ ከም ዝኾነ ሰብ ስለዝፈልጥ ዳስሓብክዎም ከኣኖ ስለዝብልኒ ነበሩ ገዲፈዮም
ነብስኻ ዕላማ ሓዝክና ታታ ትደልያ ዘለኻ ዕላማ ንክትበቕዓ ግን بينهم قبل زي قدس تا نعاخ تقوينيك مالتي
exactly إنه حقها أنا يمجرش تا kind of like نمتى يخو مخم نجبر قبل تدليون بيني كوينة حنتي أنا black association club جميلة تتمرت مالتي كميري إتهم those of us who are black just أبناي كعشوت أين توكر ويك أني library كويناس just chips نبعنا نحنا نزارب كوينا مشانو كم زان فت زي بلو ولا بيونيفرسيتي أتيخا تحسب sure okay I'm just gonna start my black association club in my terms in my terms كلها توم size نبرو there was 5 executives size وعكون أولدين بتعمل نسوون نفعتين I met them in my second year مسايد نع vision اللون بحانس أخوينا جميرنا هذا club سكح جون تغطي لا أنت يا أنا تا motto أنا تا you know end point black successful black students so سكح حجي تبيني زوات أخوس كم جروب ولا حجي نوت ولا لا so علامة لو
مساء قطلع بالكي ناي سدرا بيت سكاب كندي بدلوهم تتاريبنا نعطوي جن أنت كأخذ مهرز خلنا سدرا بيت حجاب ساعات زي كم ساعة توي عبيل لبولو زي تقولوا ما تيسي وينال ملاقات يكون كلها include هنا سدرا بيت مالتيو so ندوقهم عم نصنع بحجاز ديو وارتفع على محبرة ودا ديو انتهيت مخري سدرا بيت ندوقهم بزي تخدلوسي زي تقمن نعي زي سرح الليل سرح الليل تبدي نقدر تلي كحجزهم دخلت هيخو
okay well كي جمالكو like thank you قبل مدليتهم سدرا بيت مالتيو بزح يوم زقدسوا لنا بزح يوم كأنه زتصعوا لنا سرحوا لنا so ولا معدو خي جمالكو thank you لكم I can't imagine زلكم بوتا إن شاء الله زخفلكم مواقع كبلا زخيل جيل كل زي بزعبة تقول عن زارب you know ناتو mental health ناتو خستاي I will one good point I'm too which is like well-being check-in تكبر على كخميزي hey زوديس تمرت أتيلو university أتيلو how is you doing مبالا جن كأني نفس خا well-being مثل سدرا
بيت سبعلو
نبعلو سني they have to do their own well-being check-in ويخاني ناتهم social life سني more كساتيجرهم vibrant colors اللي هو هي كنبرم أنتي because تتبلوس كابوش تيز فلفل so someone يفوز
someone عهم كفوس خامات بلازي
exactly
زي كونوا بينايل على الرحلة ولا ما right wow well I think بزح عميمنا لنا مثلني ناي مودعتها تبلي تلكي نتمنى سياتنا حجي اب يونيفرسيتي تخيد له ناب ناب ديجري ماسترز تخينو ودما اب هاي سكول ناب يونيفرسيتي تخيد له تايم خنا نير
well كبير كم زخونه especially an immigrant يردأنا متيخا هاي سكول ديت فوتو سيستم اتيخا جون يونيفرسيتي صبي كالو كبير خون قيليو جن اتي زدليك حيله سابوش تخلو تزدليك حيلون اوش تخلو so كاب كالا عين تصب نحنا يناتهم كستاي تسرنا خاني مسانا لو سبات حقوزنا مسانا لو so نقتل اب هاي سكول زلهم more مستم حما culture تراي زلهم زي كونكم hang out تقبروا مستيهم اكسل شيت زلهم كاني مستيهم جوجل شيت زلهم بزعما انت يونيفرسيتي كم زغلو زفلتو سباتون more مسهم spend time كبروا just ولا انت تزقبروا زي قبركم ايديا يهلوكم هو exactly يونيفرسيتي مسكركم كاني تنستبهلناين حجون كدغمن بينكم مخان ايتفرحوا because كان بينك ايتي solutions بس بينك مخان امرك مشالو كفلك هدي كامس محساب and moving forward كاني just end point كله نقول نجس مجرش نتوي كله على
مرحبا يا أنا Abel, of course, what you had to say at the end, she was covering about what she was talking about the parents. You already noticed about it. What would your last word would be for you, for young, that they're going to university? Some of them in high school. What would be your final advice to be successful? Yeah.
For me, just be in check on who you're around with at the end of the day. Look at it from your own perspective. Is it really advancing your life? There are friends, for sure. There are great friends who are good to be like a good vibe and have fun always. But like, also from an academic or like career-wise, if you want to really start a family, have things of that nature, you kind of need to look back and see if these guys are really helping me. And maybe it's time to like branch on. Maybe you don't need to shut them off, but maybe see if there's other people that can help you with your journey. And maybe they can be good friends too. So just always look around you, check who you surround yourself with, and hopefully they're the best people to be with.
Actually, I left in one question raised. One question I have on that one before we wrap it up. It's a very important question. A lot of youngs, when they hit 19, 20, they get into relationships. And
you're asking me about this. You're thinking I'm in a relationship.
Hold on.
That's a good turn.
No. You're gonna continue. She's gonna respond too. So my question to you is: would it be the right time when you finish, was there a degree, a master, whatever that you want to finish in school, before you get into a relationship? Because sometimes it becomes distraction, right? So I know might not be in relationships, but what would it be if you had a relationship with somebody in your life? Do you think would it be harder?
Actually, no. I think yes and no. My friends just got married this year, and some of them I have some friends who are in long-term relationships, like 3 years and more. Those guys, I've noticed, are individuals who have the same goals in life. If you have someone who has the same goals as you, it's really easy to like have a relationship because they understand what you're going through.
Yeah.
You can communicate with them like, oh, I got my exams, I got to study. They understand it instantly.
Gotcha.
But when you have someone who doesn't have that same educational attainment or like that experience that they have like you, kind of it's hard for you to translate those words and for them to hit it hard for them. So for me, I don't know. I think being with someone who has the same maturity as you, same like goals as you, is like the biggest indicator.
Yeah. It doesn't matter as long as it has same goals, similar education. It might be working well.
Yes, that's saying like opposites attract. I don't know if that's true.
Okay.
Maybe Deborah has something different.
All right, thank you. All right, I've got Deborah also regarding Zaba Rikmat go to Sana 19, 20, 22 before they finish their degree or masters. A relationship met how I know if that question might not for you or might not, but I have to ask you. That's my job. In time when you're abiwatki, مشاركة a relationship يكتدخلي. Do you think exceed مقبل كرخم تدريوس ولا تكمزي أبي الكل تصنحه؟ على عينة علامات الليكا وعلى عينة مرتاح حساسات الليكاسي. ما يبصبوهم كل خديز بالمرسيه بالنسبة.
Ab high school to
university.
University, okay, that's better. I mean, I actually don't know how to answer this because you follow you and Abel brought a good point. كلتهم حنت vision تلكم كتهارموا تخليهم شالوا بحنساس even better كتوتوا تخليهم so yeah I guess have to just say that
similar
yeah
well كسمعون تاني أخو أبيل ولداين مبرهتو دكتور ميديسن هاتنيو نفس رجال تخيل الله هني ماسترز right ديبورا مሓሪ هينوك سايكولوجيست وحد كوس سايكولوجيست بزي حمنا له قال ما حتى بزعبات هيوتهم عم مجد جريناتهم ما وعزوا مجدهم كاب يونيفرسيتي عزوتي حمزة له خمسة تاني بتعمير مسكنهم هنتي من زي علمي خليهم منزل
سخاون thank you
thank you